And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Chai from Inertia with just another vlog. Here on my channel, I make concert vlogs, travel vlogs, and unboxing fan merchandise. So if you're into these, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified on my next vlog. So guys, as you can see in the title, this is another unboxing vlog. It feels like a lifetime since I did my last unboxing, but it was just about a month ago. And if you have been watching my vlogs, the last one that I did was also from this Blackpink member. So for today's vlog, we will be unboxing Lisa's Photobook 0327 2.0. This is the second version of her Photobook. So it has just been a month since I unboxed the very first version of her Photobook. Obviously I was too late, but never too late for the second one. And I still remember how I wish that she will come out with a second version of her Photobook, and I think she will come out with a second part of this. And here you go. I was happy when she announced that, you know, she'll be coming out with another version of her Photobook, just after a few days after I posted my last vlog about her first Photobook that I unboxed. Unlike the first version, I wasn't able to get one right away because I think I wasn't a huge fan back then yet. But this year I did let that happen. I grabbed the opportunity and buy the Photobook as fast as I can, and I actually got not one, not two, but 3 copies of it. It's crazy, but yeah, I panic, and when I panic, I make all the decisions that I regret sometimes. But no regrets. So I'm not sure what to do with the spare one. Probably gonna do a giveaway here, but I'll be giving away the first version first, like what I've promised on the first version unboxing. I'll be giving away Lisa's first version of her Photobook 0327 as soon as I reach 5,000 subscribers. Not only that, I have recently announced that I'm also gonna be giving away a couple of merch from Paramore. So as soon as I hit 3,000, I'll be giving away one CD album of your choice, and at 4,000 I'll be giving away Hayley Williams Self Serenades limited edition vinyl. On my 5K subscriber, I'll be giving away Lisa's first version Photobook. I'm not sure if I'll be giving away the second version yet, but who knows. And also another one from Paramore. It's the latest Hot Topic Tiny Hot, forgot the name of the shirt, but yeah, it's the latest shirt from Hot Topic. There's a lot of giveaways, you know, coming up, guys, so just keep your subscription and keep watching my vlogs so that I can give away a lot more. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? That's the only requirement. Subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, the same handle. Here we go, guys. We'll be unboxing both of them, so I can check if I got one of the signed ones, which I doubt, because you'll be very lucky to get a signed copy from Lisa, because she only signed like over 327, I believe, out of like thousands. So the chance that you have is very little, especially if you only bought 2 copies. I only got the ones from K-Town for You. I haven't received the one from YG Select. I'll link you guys with the shop where I bought it from. It's a fast ETA. I didn't bought it directly from K-Town for You though, because the shipping fees cost a fortune, so it's not worth it if you're only buying like 2 pieces. It's very heavy as well, so it's not worth it to pay for a forwarding courier. So as usual, I'll just be giving you a close-up view of the Photobook to appreciate it more. Here you go, guys. guys. So what I like about this photo book is that it's a hardbound photo book this time, unlike the very first one. First one is, as you can see, it's smaller and it's not a hardbound copy, unlike the second one. And it's a very sleek design as well. This one has, it's like an engraved print of the title of this photo book, which is 0327. So as you can see on the front, it says volume .02, March 27, 2021, produced by YG Entertainment, made in Korea, distributed by K-Town for you. I really like her picture here, but I think it's actually attached on the plastic covers. And on the side, what you will see is also a print. This is photo book name, second edition, 2021, 0327. So it's a big print. This one is thicker as well, so I think pages are thicker, so there's nothing at the back. Let's open this now. Alright, so I'm actually right. So the sticker is attached on this plastic. Okay, so here you go. Alright, so here you go, guys. Wow, she's so young looking here. So pretty, my god. Wow, I'm speechless. These are great quality photos, by the way. Unlike the very first version, she had like a film quality pictures, so they're like grainy and old school, if I may say. These ones are very bright and not grainy as well. This one is a bit blurry, but her beauty is not really blurry at all in these pictures. Wow, it's blurry, but you can see how beautiful she is in that picture. Oh my god, I don't know if these are latest pictures though, but I don't think so, because her hair is so long. It's the first time that I'm seeing these features. So this one as well. Wow, I miss her long hair now, but I kind of like her short hair though, versus the long hair. But seeing these pictures of her long hair, is still pretty. I mean, long or short hair, she's pretty, as you can see. Alright, these are like VCRs or like teleprompts during your photo shoot, I guess. Okay, wow, look at that. Look at the effects though. Wow, these are so good. Alright, so we found, I don't know what this is called, but it's so aesthetic. She's so pretty here, oh my god. Another one, wow. Oh my god. I really like her no bangs look lately. If you have been watching You With You, she's so pretty. Her short bangless look, she's digging it. Wow, oh my god, I like the effects. Alright, so I kind of saw this on Twitter and they said it's double meaning. Hopefully not, but this is from one of their music video. Also this one, another one from the same music video. She's so cool. Wow, all from the same music video shooting. Alright, Jisoo from the same music video. I think this is Chang. I'm not sure, yeah, that's her. And this is Lauren, their guitarist, and she's also an extra on that music video, partnered with Lisa. Wow. She really got an eye for cameras. This is Rose for sure. Alright, so we reached the mid part of the photo book. Alright, so we got these freebies. So there's only one photo card. It's like a Polaroid, clear Polaroid picture. And like on the first verse, you got like 2 of these ones. But look at her. Oh my god. Again, I don't know when was this taken, but oh my god, I'm glad she put this on photo card. So these are the stickers. She mentioned that I wanted to include these pictures on the photo book, but they were left out, so she decided to just put them on stickers. Wow. Alright, so another one from Jisoo. Good thing it has this thing right here. Wow. This one is not on the first. Alright, so we got Jisoo, we got Lisa, and then Jisoo again. Wow, look at her eyes. Oh my god. And her heart-shaped lips. She's so cool. Alright, Lisa. Oh my god. She got short hair now. Alright. One of her baddest bitch baddest bitch look. She's so cool. I really like this when it came out. Very, very cool. Another blurry picture here, but still stunning. I remember this again from one of their photo shoots or like a music video, I believe. This is Lily's favorite color of mine in terms of her hair color. So this one is from Ice Cream. He's so funny here, but still pretty. Wow. All from the same music video. Wow, so cool. Okay, so these are all from Ice Cream music video. So the prior one was from Lovesick Girls. So these ones are from Ice Cream. Alright, Jenny and Jisoo, very, very pretty. Oh, she's so cute here. Alright, the besties. See Lisa. Why are you so serious? Alright. Okay, Jisoo here. Alright, Lisa. These are old ones. I can't recall they were. So this is from their press conference, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, she's a Barbie here. I think this is on their welcoming. I'm not sure. Alright, these are okay. What are our short papers here? Look at the picture though. Aww. I love pictures taken from airplanes. I love taking pictures as well when I'm on a plane, so. Alright, so I think this is from her shooting on Bulgaria, I think. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so cute. Alright, black and white photos, here we go. Oh my gosh. Blurry, but you can still see how beautiful she is. Oh my god. I love her in black and white. Or in colored pictures. Okay. I've seen this one away. She's a bare face here. She's so pretty. This one as well. She's just wearing casual clothes, but look at her phone camera. Very expensive phone camera. Oh, super cute. Oh, love it. Okay, Rose eating. What's new? Alright, we've seen this with photos before, so I think this is on their studio with the boys, Lauren. I forgot his name. This one's a lot. Okay. Not that Rose always eating. Okay. Oh my god. I love this. Now this one is like glossy. Prior pages are like matte. Okay. Wow. These are her shots from Europe, I think. Yeah, definitely. Somewhere in Europe. Wow. Look how pretty. I can never. Oh wow. It's probably why. Alright, we got 4 girls here. Okay, I think that's it. Wow. We reached the end, so. Okay guys, so that's all. So I'll be opening the second one just to see if I got a signed one. Here's the second one, guys, so let's see. Okay. Alright, so that's it guys. We didn't receive a signed copy, but we're happy. Alright, so I forgot to show you the pre-order benefits. So we got these. So there are just 2 photo cards. Basically, what you can see now is what you'll get on both. Okay, so there you go guys. We got this. Like what I've said, she's digging this no bangs look with her short hair. Pouty Lisa. And I got these freebies from the shop. So we got these, so pretty. Just a simple photo cards and this film strips. So cute. That's all that we got. Alright guys, so there you have it. I think this is a lot better than the first one, in my opinion, but both of them are just awesome. We really appreciate Lisa's, sharing a glimpse of her personal life, because some of the photos are from her personal gallery. We all know she's a very private person. I hope she will keep on doing that, but we respect her privacy. We respect what she wanted to share with her fans. Tell me, what are your thoughts about this photo book? Let me know which one is better, first or the second one, and let me know if you want me to give away one of these, even though it's already unsealed. So yeah, so that's it for this vlog guys. I hope you enjoy it, and please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel, and comment anything below. Let me know what to unbox next. I hope you watch my previous vlogs, my travel vlogs as well. So again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!